Hello, my name is Kayla Crooks, and I will be going over Chapter 6, Section 4 on intelligence. An important question is, what is intelligence? Do certain behaviors lead you to believe that a person is intelligent? Psychologists haven't come up with an answer to that question. Instead, most psychologists agree that intelligence has several distinct qualities. Intelligence is adaptive. It involves modifying one's behaviors to accomplish new tasks successfully. It's related to learning ability. Intelligent people learn information quicker and easier than less intelligent people. It's coordinational. It involves the complex interaction of many different thinking and reasoning processes. And it's culture specific. Intelligent behaviors in one culture aren't necessarily intelligent behaviors in another culture. Therefore, a broad definition of intelligence is the ability to apply prior knowledge and experiences flexibly to accomplish new tasks. Intelligence is ever-changing. It often changes through experience, learning, and environmental support. Although psychologists haven't been able to accurately define intelligence, they still want to develop a test to measure it. In 1904, Alfred Binet from France devised a test that measured general knowledge, vocabulary, perception, memory, and abstract thought, something that we now call an intelligence test. Scores on intelligence tests were originally calculated using a formula that involves division. They were called intelligent quotient scores, or IQ scores. We still use the term IQ today, but the scores are no longer based on the old formula. They're determined by comparing a child's performance on a test with the performance of others in the same age group. Modern intelligence tests have been designed with Binet's original purpose in mind, to predict how well students are likely to perform in school. As a result, school psychologists use intelligence tests to help them identify students who have disabilities or other special needs that require individualized education programs. To some degree, intelligence reflects the general spatial, efficiency, and control of cognitive processing. Learners differ in fluid intelligence, their ability to acquire knowledge quickly and adapt to new situations effectively. They also differ in crystallized intelligence, the knowledge and skills they're obtained from their personal experience, formal schooling, and culture. Fluid intelligence is important for new, unfamiliar tasks, especially those that involve rapid decision-making. Crystallized intelligence is more important for familiar tasks, especially those that depend on language and prior knowledge. Learners may be more intelligent in some domains than in others. The multiple intelligences theory suggests that people can be more or less intelligent in distinctly different ways. Howard Gardner proposed 8 intelligence abilities that humans can differ with. These intelligence abilities are linguistic, logical mathematical, spatial, musical, bodily kinesthetic, interpersonal, intrapersonal, and naturalist intelligence abilities. Additionally, learners may have specific cognitive styles and dispositions that cause them to think and act in more or less intelligent ways. Cognitive styles are ways in which people tend to think about a task and process new information. Learners have little to no conscious control with their cognitive styles. On the other hand, dispositions are general inclinations to approach and think about learning and problem-solving consciously. Researchers have found that certain dispositions are beneficial for learning. These dispositions are stimulation seeking, which means to interact with one's physical and social environment in order to gain new experiences and information, the need for cognition, which means to seek out challenging new tasks, conscientiousness, which means to address assigned tasks in a careful, focused, and responsible manner, the need for critical thinking, which means to evaluate information in terms of their accuracy, credibility, and worth, and the need for open-mindedness, which means to consider alternative perspectives and suspend judgment. Overall, learners act more intelligently when they have physical or social support for their efforts. Psychologists use the term distributed intelligence when learners can think and perform more effectively when they offload or distribute their cognition load on something or someone else. Therefore, intelligence ability increases when appropriate environmental, cultural, and social supports are available.